Stay calm, stay seated, and follow your onboard team's directions. Cheers!
Cheers! There we are.
We're just getting started, folks.
Mainit na.
Seen from anything other than a train.
Ito. Oh, bye-bye.
Good. Well, my name is Caitlin. I'm the guest service manager. It's not through Canyon Spirit. It's a separate company on the left. Yeah, please. So decline. 3 bridges that are in this tunnel.
Oh, really? Oh, I love
With the help of the U.S. Cavalry.
Maganda pag huli na table. Ay, tanag. Tanag.
And launch the car right. It is a tradition and it is family fun. Sometimes you'll see parents getting their kids to do it. Depending on how busy they're. They can see pretty well into these windows, by the way, so it's.
Baka nandun tayo sa birthday.
I believe that is the highest elevated roller coaster in the nation. I think that is. I think we claim that.